Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking about how I get my eyebrows to be so red and what products I use and what I do and all that. So without further ado, let's get to talking. Alright, so this is one of the items I do like to use. It's the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. It's in the shade Venus. They also do have it as a cream gel form. I've never tried that, but I like getting the pencil. I ran out of this one, but I did actually order more because I really liked it. This kind of helps give me more of a feathery look in the front, or of a more thinner tail. I like to do it different ways every day, to be honest. Always red, but I do like to always like kind of change up the shape and style, just really just because. But really recommend this. I like this. I use it. It works good, so recommend that. My main go-to is the Kat Von D Super Shock Brow, or no, Super Shock Brow. Where did I get that? It's the 24 Hours Super Brow by Kat Von D. It's in the shade Scarlet. It is beautiful. So far, this is my second one. Absolutely love it, and I specifically like to use this e.l.f. eyeshadow duo brush. I just really like this brush in particular. It's $3. I highly recommend it. I've tried all other types of brushes. Some of them are really expensive. There's something about this one. I just really like how it goes with this formula. Don't know why. I just really like how it comes out. I like the spoolie. I like the brush. Highly recommend. $3. The Kat Von D Brow Pomade, I believe, is about $19, but it lasts a long time. I do my eyebrows every day, and it lasts a long time. And I believe this is $6 from ColourPop. And as an alternative, I ran out of mine, but this is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I do use this to set my eyebrows, but you can also use the ColourPop one, the Clear Brow Gel, and I think this is $19, but the ColourPop one's $6. Found that they're both amazing. I recommend them both. They both work great, and you can use either one. So as a more affordable option, you can use the ColourPop. I just ran out, so definitely recommend that. But that is what I do for my eyebrows. Those are the products I use. I don't dye them or anything. So if you're wondering, I know I get that question a lot. My eyebrows are normally kind of like a light brown towards the front, and then towards the ends, they're like such a fair blonde you can barely see them. So I don't know, after years of everything, my eyebrows are starting to like really lose color, but so is my hair too. My hair's starting to come in white, but I'm not even okay with that, so change the subject on that. But yeah, that is what I do. I absolutely love that stuff. I recommend it highly. It's great products. So that is what I do for my eyebrows. I don't dye them or anything. I just use those products and it works great for me. I've also used the purple from Kat Von D too. When I had my hair purple for a little bit, I did use that as well. Sorry, my cat keeps on almost falling off the bed. He's crazy. But yeah, those are the products I use. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.